a gift. So if you have teens or older children, you know that a lot of times they ask for cash or gift cards instead of an actual toy. So if you have kids like that, like I do, this is a fun little way that they can still have something to unwrap on Christmas morning. The first thing you need to do to make your Santa wreath is to gather your supplies. So I like to start with a foam wreath. This one is about 10 to 12 inches. You want to just make sure that your Santa hat is going to fit nicely on your wreath. So depending on what size hat you have will kind of determine what size wreath that you need to buy. The next thing you're gonna need is your money. I used about 12 different bills, so if you wanted to use 1s and 5s, you could do that. And then last but not least, you're gonna need your gold straight pins. These are shorter than your normal straight pins, which means they're not gonna go all the way through the wreath. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I made this today. So I'm gonna take my wreath and I'm going to take my dollar bills and I'm going to wrap them around my wreath and I'm gonna overlap just a little bit. I'm gonna overlap what I have already done there. On the underneath side, I'm going to take 2 of my gold pins, just going to pin the corners. And once I have that pinned and secured, then I'm going to wrap it around and I'm going to pin the inside on the top layer. Then I'm just going to continue adding dollar bills all the way around until about a little more than 75% of the wreath is covered. So once you have your wreath done with all of your cash on it, it's time to add your hat. You can see that I left a little bit of the white space because I'm going to be putting my Santa hat over that portion of the wreath. So I'm just going to slide my Santa hat into my wreath and then I'm going to secure it with some pins. I'm using the same gold pins that I used to attach the money to the wreath and I'm going to secure it on both sides. See how easy that was? I love how quick and easy this is to make, and it's super fun and festive to give. You can just throw it in a holiday gift bag, add in some tissue paper, and your gift is gonna be ready to go.